Hey, good morning. Happy Wednesday. This is Mr. Gus. Welcome to Intervention Group. Today we're going to take on the phrased reading for I Spy Fly Guy, Part 2. So, like yesterday, you're going to practice this a couple times, and the way it works is you group all of the words inside of those slashes, those backslashes. So it sounds something like this. "You are good," said Buzz, making sure that you pause every time you see that backslash. "It's your turn to hide again." Fly Guy hid in the garbage can again. Just then, the garbage man came. Oh, and read that whole thing. Do it out loud. Those of you that are with me today, B groups, I'm going to actually have you read along with me so I can actually hear how it sounds. So today you guys are going to be reading an informational book. It's called Alfa and Beto, the Biblioburros, which is Spanish. So it's from the Solving Problems series. So Luis Soriano lives... All right, sorry, back to it. Alfa and Beto, the Biblioburros. So this Luis Soriano, so there you see Luis on his burros, lives in South America in a country called Colombia. So he has two burros. Burros is the Spanish word for donkey, so you can see him riding one of them. And then he uses the other one to carry his library. So he's named them Alfa and Beto. So does that sound like any kind of word you guys know? You got it, the word alphabet. So he's named them actually the word alphabet. So everyone in Colombia speaks Spanish. So burro is the Spanish word for donkey, and biblio means book. So Luis and his two burros bring books to children in small towns and small villages because those kids they can't go to school. They don't have schools there. So Luis uses his two burros to bring them the books. So biblioburro is what they call a compound word. So biblio meaning book and burro meaning animal, donkey. So when you look at page 2, right here, you see the heading at the top. It says Life in Colombia. So on these pages, the writer tells you what it's like to live in small villages in Colombia. So on page 3, it actually shows you a picture of the globe, shows you where South America is, and then it highlights in green where Colombia is. So the villages that the Biblioburro visits are in Colombia. Each village is far away from the city, so you have to travel over like these really rugged, bumpy dirt roads to get there. So the destination is the place where the burros go, so they walk over all of those dirt roads to their destination, so it'd be hard to actually drive there. So on page 5, you'll see another heading. It says one teacher and one idea. So you can see Luis there with the cowboy hat on, and he's reading a book to that group of kids. So the writer helps you actually with the pronunciation guide right there. Luis Soriano. Luis Soriano. So that's what they call a pronunciation guide or a pronunciation key. So it helps you to pronounce it. I'm just going to skip ahead to page 10. So throughout this book, you're going to see information on the sides of the pages or on the sides of the photographs. So these are called sidebars. So here it shows you the picture. Over on the side it says Luis reads stories to the children before they choose their books. So it's kind of like what our old librarian used to do with you guys in the library. So as you read, you're really supposed to notice that Luis only has 2 rules for the kids who check out his books. So you're going to find out how the people in the villages, the adults and the children, feel about the Biblioburro, and really be thinking about what is the most important thing that Luis has actually accomplished or he's done. It's kind of a big deal. So enjoy. It's a really good book. Bye.